Today, I welcome to the 9th class students of Cbse to my Brahmagupta educational channel. My dear students, today we shall discuss about the circle. What do you mean by a circle? This is the picture of a circle. What do you mean by a circle? A circle is the collection of the points on a plane. A circle is the collection of the points on a plane that are equidistant from a given point. Here, O is the given point here on the plane, and all the points that on the circle are equidistant from the O. Here are so many points in this manner, and they are equal distance. All the points are situated at equidistance from the O. So, all the points are makes a geometrical picture. That picture is known as circle. This is a circle. The length of the circle is its circumference. It is the circumference of the circle. The circumference of the circle. The circumference of a circle is nothing but its length. The length of a circle is equal to its circumference. Here OB, OP, O is the given point, and let a point P on the circle. Let a point P on the circle, and OP is the radius of the circle. OP is the radius, and PQ the diameter of the circle. Here the total circumference is denoted by C. Let the circumference is equal to C and the diameter is equal to D. The ratio of the circle, the ratio of the circumference of any circle and its diameter, the ratio of the circumference of any circle and its diameter is equal to pi. So, C by D is equal to pi, or C is equal to pi D. C means the circumference 2 pi r. 2 pi r is equal to pi. Or if a point P, now C is equal to pi D. This is first originated by said by the mathematician Lambert. Lambert said the ratio of the circumference and its diameter is equal to pi. So C is equal to pi D. If a point P, we say that P is on the circle. P is on the circle if OP is equal to bar. If OP is equal to bar, then the P is situated on the circle. If OP is less than R, if OP is less than R, here in this picture, OP is equal to R. So, P is on the circle. Then OP is less than R, P is inside the circle. OP is greater than R, then P is out of the circle. So, if OP is less than R, then P is inside the circle. OP is equal to the R, then P is on the circle. OP is greater than the R, then P is out of the circle. Now, we read something about arc. Arc of a circle. Here, AB is the arc of the circle. BA another arc of the circle. Arc. A circle made by addition of so many arcs. Here AB and BA are the two arcs. Then the measurement of arc, the measurement of arc is equal to its central angle. In this picture, AB is arc and AOB is theta. So the measurement of AB arc AB is equal to theta degree, and BA arc is equal to 360 minus theta. If AB is a arc and BA is another arc, then addition of the two arcs, measurement of AB plus measurement of BA is equal to 360 degree. Measurement of AB plus measurement of BA arc is equal to 360 degree. Let the AB arc is equal to 60 degree. Then for the measurement of BA, if measurement of AB is equal to 60, then measurement of BA is equal to 360 minus 60 is equal to 300 degree. Here AB is equal to 60 degree and BA arc is equal to 300 degree. Then a circle, a line segment. Now we read something about the chord. What do you mean by a chord is? A line segment that when any 2 points on the circle are known as the chords. Here is a circle, any point to A and B are any 2 points. The line segment here joining A to B. So AB is a chord. In this manner, BA is a chord, CD is a chord. So in a circle there are so many chords. But a chord that passes through the center of the circle is known as the diameter. Any line segment or any chord that passes through the center of the circle is called its diameter, or the highest length or high length or the highest chord of a circle is known as its diameter. Hence, the diameter is the highest chord of the circle. Now, we discussed about this picture. Here, S is a circle and PQ line segment divides the circle two parts. This is the minor part of the circle and it is the major part of the circle. The minor part and the major part both are called the segments of the circle. When a circle divides by a line or a chord, the circle is divided into two parts. That parts are known as the segments of the circle. A circle, when a circle divides by a chord, the circle now divides in two parts. The parts are known as the segments of the circle. Here there are two segments of the circle. It is the minor part, it is a segment, and it is a major part, that is segment. It is a minor segment and it is the major segment of the circle. This is about the circle. Coming day we shall discuss some exercise and some questions about the circle. Today I am remain. Yeah.